What is the meaning of feedball? What is the feedball? Taking the field, making the ball with the easy of rainfall and many. Whenever rainfall starts, you can throw the means barren land, if you throw this seed balls, once it receives rainfall, then again it will start. So that is the reason we are here to explain how it works. Listen, what they are explaining, please listen. 1972 we started medicine from outside. That's where some people make they made a state in June 5th, 1972. Our duty to maintain protect the environment. That's the day we are in that day usually is going to give some awareness program, and also we are trying to do plantations and also this kind of works to protect our environment. So today we are here to show the how we made seed balls and the importance of seed balls and also the protection of environment. So this is the things we are going to explain here. And one of our colleague Suraj is like from morning till evening. Today he is going to doing all these things, such things for like you people didn't know much about these concepts and all. So he will going to explain this. You know the seeds of sandalwood. Yes, sir. Sandalwood. So this is sandalwood fruit. Feel it. Come forward. Put it back. So this is the sandalwood. Okay, put it back. Red sandal. That is red sandalwood. This one is red sandal. Red sandalwood. Earlier days, we used to soak the wash. We used to do this for washing the clothes. These are all natural So everybody, listen. Okay, ready? Nice. Let's explore more now. Guys, sir, yeah, please here. Attention. So, thank you, sir, for your words. So, today we have the Joint Director of Horticulture, Mr. Chandrasekhar, sir. A big round of applause for him. So, on this occasion, why are we here today? What's for? World Environment Day. So, what are we going to do today? Make seed bombs. Okay, before that, I want to take you to a small journey of 5 minutes. Kindly shift like this towards left, towards this wall. Everybody, who doesn't use plastics? Not everyone. Yeah. Okay, what do you do with the plastics? Dustbin. When you collect plastics at your home, what do? You will use plastic as a dustbin. Dust covers. Yeah. I'm not making a joke here, I'm very serious. And you, brother, I've noticed you many times. I was talking about plastics. How many of you know there's something called brick, eco brick? What is eco brick?
I've heard of and use it to make sustainable bricks that you can use to build homes.
Okay. So, do you know that even you can do eco bricks at your home? So here there is one. So this is what we call as an eco brick. So here you can see there are a lot of chocolate wrappers inside and other wrappers which you use very daily. But how do you pack is very important. This one you can give it to your waste collectors who come every day. They come right to your houses to collect waste. So you can do that one. So through this you can also build buildings, but not with the same brick. With this you can do minimal use. But this will help for waste segregation and also help in sustainable life. So this is one aspect. So these are some examples of what you use daily at your house. So which generates plastics. So this can be put into this bottle and closed, which later on you can use it as eco brick, or else give it to the waste collector, where that person will use this as an other source. So follow me. And also less water and food. So you can observe these three scenarios. To save water, what you have to do?
No, not waste rainwater harvesting.
Yeah, rainwater harvesting is one. Any other thing? How do you get more water? What do you do? Yeah, that is also one of the methods. You have to plant more trees, right? If there are more trees, there is more rain.
Mass plantation.
Yes, mass plantation, mass afforestation. So, how do you do this afforestation? Through kids. I'm going to explain the last thing from here. Form a semicircle. Okay, what do you see here?
Leaves, some seeds, spices.
Okay,
Dried.
what do you think this seed is? Sandalwood.
Pepper.
No, it seems pepper, right? How many of you say it's pepper? Raise your hand. Okay, how many of you said sandalwood seeds? So yes, it looks like pepper, but it is sandalwood seeds.
Pepper balls have
Yes. How many of you seen these seeds?
jamun.
This is jamun seeds.
Yeah.
Soap. Very good. These are soap nuts. For what is it used? Soap. And shampoos also, right? Previously, people used to use this directly. They used to smash it. They used to get that liquid, apply it for hair directly, right? So similarly, now it is used for many other reasons also. But I want to ask one thing. How many of you have played in mud?
It's me, Aman.
Played in mud? Never. Okay, how many of you not played in mud?
That's what.
Okay, so what we do is basically we take these seeds here, which are there here. So we take mud, which is not very dry, which has proper nutrients in it. We mix it and then we mix these seeds into them. We do a ball. How many of you know a ball?
Seed ball.
Seed ball. Now, no, what are you doing? I gave permission to take. No, whatever it is. You can't give reasons. Don't talk back. Balls. Look at here. His class is done. So you make seed balls. Then what do you do after making seed balls? So you mix them with the mud. You make a seed ball. You make sure that it gets properly dried, not in sunlight, but in the shade. Because when sunlight hits the ball, it gets cracked. Then there might be chance of it breaking. So what we do is for 2 days after making balls, we keep it in shade, we dry them properly, and then you can throw it. Where do you throw it? Throw it on the tar road, on cemented things. Then where do you throw it? No, like where do you want to throw like a proper seed? Where do you feel a proper plant can grow? Obviously in soil, in space. Open space, very good. And space where you.
Enough sun and breeze.
Yes, good.
A place with enough natural habitat and resources.
That's also good. So there are different kind of characteristics where you have to put this ball. So you can throw this ball in that garden.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Good. Can you throw this ball on this tiles?
No.
No, why? Why not here and why not there?
Because there is
There is soil and already grass is growing
Here
there,
there is
but
no
whereas
soil
here
in
it's
that
fully filled with soil.
Okay, good. So this is what we do. So after doing the seed balls, we throw it in the proper space where it can grow. So this is one of the reasons where we can get back our trees. How many of you think that trees are becoming very less in number? How many of you seen that people cutting trees for the reason of building or electric lines?
Sir, I didn't see them cut it, but then I've seen chopped up trees.
Okay.
Sir, you know, schools are also a reason why trees are getting less. Because schools make exam papers. To make papers, we need to cut trees.
Okay. Interesting.
We need to make so much.
So are you trying to tell me that you don't want exams anymore?
We can do actually recycle paper.
You're saying it like this, then why don't every exam paper we plant 20 trees?
No, actually we use recycled exam papers or book papers to create our exam sheets. Not for us.
Still that book papers which will be made of
In
paper
this
and that is not a waste of paper.
Yeah, but also follow.
Yeah, but they need more wood fiber for
Other
it.
schools don't follow.
Okay, there are a lot of discussions, there are a lot of questions, but you don't have an answer, is it? No. There's an answer.
That's what I said. This one, the
Yeah,
bamboo
every
here
paper.
are cool.
Every paper we use, every tree we have to plant 20.
Yes, that is one of the methods. But the thing is, it's not like you can't, you have to not use paper. You need paper. So that doesn't mean that you cut every tree. Does mango tree give you paper?
No.
Yes? No, no,
Part
no.
of the tree we
No.
get mango paper.
So there are a particular species of trees which gives you paper. So only those trees are cut, for example. So when you plant other trees or other
So they'll
species,
be safe.
yes. So that's how you have to think. But make sure that you use less plastic and also save water, because you know that there are a lot of things which is affecting the environment today in the city, right? People are not getting proper clean air. So what do you think if people don't get proper clean air? What happens?
They get like breathing problems.
What happens if you don't drink proper hygienic water, drinkable
Get
water?
some illness, infections.
Cholera.
Very good. So if you want to avoid these things, what do you have to do? Do the opposite what?
We should like take care of the environment. We should plant more trees. We should like use
Yes.
for short.
But why do you think that guys? Whole thing with the kids, not with the adults.
We are the future of tomorrow.
So if we plant it now, the trees will.
Okay, that's one reason. But what is the other reason why we are talking?
Where the
this thing?
We're the future.
Yeah, future, all those
So
things.
that plants would. Because if we plant it, when we grow up, we can see the trees. But if grown-ups plant them, they'll die and they never get to see that plant. Whoa!
Okay, that is too much of storytelling. Okay, come back to the reality here. Why I tell you? See, have you observed the reason why I asked you a question saying that how many of you played in mud? Okay, most of them said yes, we have played in mud in childhood or whatever. Why do in olden days or like previous years or days, parents used to ask kids to play in the mud, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Why? It's good.
Builds immunity.
Yes, excellent. That's the reason. So that's the reason. Yes. So that's the reason. Parents used to ask guys, no distractions. You are too much distracted, I'm telling you. Focus here. So that's the reason we want kids to play in mud. They have to be, in touch with mud for a certain age, because that's where you get your more immunity and also other efficient things which you have to get in that age. So that's the reason we used to let children play in mud. But nowadays, do you see most of the kids are playing in mud or like things? What do they play with?
They play more
Video game.
phones, video games.
As a football. Even when they play outside, it's like football and there's no mud.
Yes, it becomes very important for you people to engage with nature a lot in this age. So that's the reason why we bought this seed ball concept here, and today we will be doing this seed balls for your higher class students. So yes, thank you so much. Hope you learned something. And how many of you feel that okay, I have to do this thing, save water, save electricity only on environmental? Raise your hand. What?
No, we have to do daily.
How many of you feel that yes, I have to do this daily, sir? We have to adapt to this.
My grandpa does it daily.
Yeah, but you will not do daily.
I did it in the summer holiday.
Okay. Good. You have to do daily. You have to keep it going. It is like how you're breathing air. Similar to that, you also keep doing this action so that you save. You save what? What do you save?
The environment.
The world. Atmosphere.
You will save first yourself and the others who's coming in the next generation. Okay. Thank you so much. Now from a line you can go back.
Hey, Zach.
So now 5 group members. That only, no? One for these, do you break it? And for these,
I'll just hold this, you guys can. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಇದು ಸೀಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ
at the corner of this leaf, there is a seed inside it. If you see it, it shows little. There's a bulge here. There is a seed inside it. So you got to rip it open like this. It's very easy to open, right? If I can do it, everyone can do it, right, children?
ಇದೆ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೀಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು
One seed inside one ball. Just put it. Make your own ball. Good, you're not in Israel or in Iran or in US or any country that fights, but you're making a big ball. There you go.
ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ
Look for it. Guys, look at this one.
this one, huh? Yeah. That one you can break.
One seed and one. Yes.
That one direct, huh? Only
And you
corner
have
of
only
the
one
thing you
seed,
can,
right?
corner you can open.
There's only one seed, right?
Center of the thing you can put it inside the ball. Okay? Remove the corner side. ಬಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ Humic acid. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
One seed is there, right?
ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಬಾಲ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು
Make a ball. Make a small hole there.
ಈ ತರ ಬಾಲ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಟಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
One small hole inside the ball with one finger. Put inside the seed and close it. Each one of you have to make 20 of them. Carefully thinking.
don't put two seeds.
Converted into
For
this
one soil ball, you put only one seed, okay?
somebody open it take it that toppled everything
Wait, do I say my name and speak? Like?
Yeah, you can say your name.
My name is Hazel Iruderaj, and today we had a really fun session where we basically took different types of seeds and we unplucked the seeds from the shell of them and we put it into balls of mud, and that was really fun.